Hi folks, how you doing? This is Iqbal. In this video, we will take a look if SMCI is still a better investment at the current price using financials, EPS and comparative analysis between Nvidia, Palantir and AMD. I think this will be a very interesting video for you guys and also this will give you a very different perspective. Now, let's get started. You see this table on your screen. I'm trying to capture the latest earnings surprise and the forward P ratio for Palantir and other AI stocks so that we can understand where does SMCI stand compared with other AI stocks. For the forward P ratio, I captured the trend for last 5 weeks to understand how the forward P ratio is changing week over week for all these four stocks. So in this table, you can notice that SMCI forward P ratio as of this point is at 25.13, and prior to that in last 4 weeks it ranges between 27 and 31. So at this time SMCI forward P ratio is the lowest in last 5 weeks. So this makes SMCI a very attractive buy at the current price. If we take a look other AI stocks, for example Nvidia forward P ratio is at 40.6 and compared with the last 4 weeks before that, on average Nvidia forward P ratio is 37.7. So Nvidia is trending up in terms of the forward P ratio. So this tells that Nvidia may be comparatively expensive than SMCI at the current price. So talking about Palantir is also at 65, higher than SMCI and Nvidia, and also AMD is 48 at this point. So AMD is also higher than SMCI and Nvidia. This tells that SMCI has the lowest forward PE among all these four stocks. So this tells that SMCI has more potential to go further up in this quarter. And also, if we take a look at the earnings surprise for the last quarter, you see that SMCI was able to beat the earnings more than other three stocks, that is 13.87%. So this also tells that SMCI ability to beat earnings is much higher than other AI stocks. So let's take a look historical SMCI earnings surprise to understand if this earnings surprise is just a one-time spike. So now in this table, I'm showing you the earnings surprise for SMCI for last 7 quarters. And you can notice that in last 3 quarters before this quarter, on average, SMCI was able to beat earnings 14.81%. So the latest earnings surprise was not an outlier. So both data points suggest that SMCI is a better stock at this point compared with Nvidia, Palantir, and AMD. And in the long term, I only see one downside. Let me show you. So in the second table, I'm talking about this table, I have the earning projection for SMCI for next 3 quarters. So if I try to calculate the percentage increase 3 quarters from now versus next quarter, I see that only 6.87% earning growth between Q2 2024 and Q4 2024. And that is not great. So this tells that between Q2 and Q4, the earnings are slowing down for SMCI. But as long as we talk about this quarter, SMCI at this point is trading around 780, and that is not a very bad point to buy for this quarter. So that's all about my assessment regarding SMCI. If you agree or disagree with my assessment, please let me know in the comment section so we can discuss. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you more tomorrow. Take care.